We are Seagull Innovation Studio, and we design innovation for organization that wants to create change by innovation and not just talking about it. Our hackathons are not one-day events. They are structured innovation sprints powered by human-centered design, AI-driven tools, and a digital system that keeps ideas moving forward. We design innovation as a journey, not a moment. If you're looking for innovation that creates momentum, builds capability, and delivers outcomes, this is where it starts. Think design, do innovation.